Nibu Alex. I came in late for today's meeting, so I don't know what her speech was. And I was busy organizing the manual and the objective, so I speak for initially CC5. When he came in, he gave me his phone. I looked at the objectives for the speech and I saw this is not a CC5 speech. And then they announced the title of the speech. I wish I were a dog. I looked up, is this what the speech is all about? I was very surprised. An excellent opening for any speech. A title that captures your attention. So very good evening to the general evaluator and all guests present here.
Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you. So an excellent way to capture your attention. His objective was to deliver an effective humorous speech. Who better to judge an effective humorous speech than the audience? Do you think it was effective?
Yes.
You honestly thought it was effective?
Yes.
Okay, I think I'm done for the day. So that was the objective, and kudos to the speaker, he did an excellent job there. You all thought he was funny, and that's all that matters. His presence on stage was excellent. His eye contact with the audience was excellent. The speaker had excellent facial expressions. Trust me, I think the speaker should take up drama. He and Shantanu have a future in stage, on stage rather. Now, coming to points that the speaker could have improved upon. The prop, though an excellent tool, should not be overused. Like all good things in life, moderation is the key. The speaker kept holding the prop in his hand, which limited the use of his left hand. When a prop is used, use the prop, keep it back, and then you can continue acting the prop out. Because keeping a prop with you through the entire speech limits this one hand and it creates an unnatural body language on stage. So avoid excessive use of props, moderation is the key. Now, humor. Humor is very difficult on stage, and anyone who attempts it must be applauded. Like I said, everyone had a jolly good time, or like you said, everyone here had a jolly good time. But the key to a good joke is not having to explain it. And when the speaker said something in Hindi, which was funny in Hindi, and translated it, there was a loss of humor there. There was a transmission loss, if I were to use an engineer's term. So that is what happened. The connectivity was not there when the translation occurred. So that's something that can be avoided when using jokes. The speaker is an experienced speaker. As you can see, he's completed his AMP and his CC. So a speaker who is this experienced is expected to deliver at least a 6.5 to 7 minute speech. But I saw that the speaker immediately concluded it as soon as he saw the green card, which shows that probably a lack of practice was what we had seen. So that is something which the speaker can work on. Now, what separates a good speech from a great speech? A good speech is something that you just sit here and listen to. A great speech is something that you remember. After listening to Harsh's speech, the thing that occurred in my head was, what sort of dog will I be? Will I be a poodle? Will I be this? Will I be that? So those speeches are the ones that I remember. Kudos to you once again, and look forward to listening to more of your speeches. All done.